So gaya nga ng nasa title natin, yung may UP at saka may gas-gas si Cherry Tiggo natin, yung unit natin may gas-gas saka na UP sa harap, sa gilid. So papakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung gaano katindi yung damage. So good morning guys. So ilang days na tayo na o weeks na yata na hindi tayo nakapag-vlog tungkol kay Cherry Tiggo dahil may ginagawa dito sa bahay. So yeah, hindi tayo nakapaglinis ng sasakyan kasi nga maraming mga debris sa labas ng bahay. So gusto ko sana din na ako maglinis, pero walang chance dahil ang daming gumagawa sa bahay. So magpa-carwash tayo ngayong araw na to, Sunday. So ito yung sinasabi ko na nagpapagawa tayo rito. Ito yung isang kwarto dito ni Lance Deer. Ito yung kwarto ni Bunso dito na ginawa natin, pinagawa natin para meron siyang room. Saka sa tayo magawa na rin tayo ng cabinets. So wala pa talaga, hindi pa tapos. Saka dito, ito yung sa septic ng gagawin kong gagawin ko rin storage area, storage room. Yan, so makita nyo, ang dami pa mga debris sa labas. Hindi pa tapos yung construction, ongoing yung construction. Yan. Maliit lang yung kwarto pero enough lang yan sa kanya. Saka itong tindahan na to, wala na to. Wala na tong tindahan kasi humina na yung kita. Saka ito na yung itsura dito sa tindahan natin. So binibenta ko tong estante, pati yung freezer, pati yung roll up door. Yan, binibenta ko rin to, roll up door. So ito yung itsura ng bahay natin ngayon. Hindi pa tapos, siguro mga isang buwan pa na construction ito. So kita nyo dito sa labas, ang dumi-dumi, lalo pa mga kalat. Yan. So ongoing pa sa ngayon Sunday ngayon, walang trabaho. Kaya mamayang hapon magpa-carwash tayo para naman maganda tingnan. Kaya pakita ko rin sa inyo yung loob niya, madumi pa. Saka ito yung original niya na floor mat is hindi na ganoon kaganda. Saka yung nakalagay dito na may isa pang floor mat, ba tawag yan? Parang cover niya na may pangalan na Cherry Tiggo o Cherry, saka may logo ng Cherry, itinanggal ko. Ang gawin ko dun sa may floor mat niya, dadalhin ko sa may upholstery shop, and then ipapa leather ko ulit pati yung kanyang Cherry Tiggo na nakapatong doon. So ipapa upholstery natin ulit, pero ibang kulay naman. Black yung main na floor mat, tapos yung nakapatog na may pangalang Cherry gawin natin gray para may accent ng konti. So pati dito sa loob hindi na natin naasikaso. Dami ng mga dumi-dumi, likabok. Yan, mga suot-suot dito ng mga likabok. Yan. So it's time na para mapagtuunan naman ng pansin yung Cherry Tiggo natin sa ilang weeks na hindi siya na asikaso ng gusto. Nagagamit, pambili ng materials, pambili ng merienda ng mga workers natin. Saka ito, nabilad na sa init lagi.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Pero syempre pagdating sa performance, walang pagbabago. Kaya sinabi ko nung sa mga nakaraan kong huling vlogs na yung performance ni Cherry Tigo, kung ano yung performance niya nung binili hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin. Maganda pa rin. Gaan pa rin siya drive-an. Lalo na pag yung bagong PMS paglabas, ang sarap sa feeling. So dito tayo magpa-carwash mamaya. Ayan. Maganda doon, open sila kahit linggo, so bibili muna tayo ng gulay para doon sa ating sinigang na pork. Nautusan eh. Ano pa ba yung inutos sa atin? Kaysa nito. Ano ba to? Ay, malunggay. Ay, ito pala. Oo.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you...
So pag natapos kasi itong bahay, meron pa ditong may island pa dito. May island pa dito na ilalagay natin para pag nagluluto si Mrs. mabablog natin siya na direkta na doon yung kanyang facing sa kanya ba yung camera. Yan dito may island dito na maliit. Kaya nga island, di ba? Maliit. So, islet pala yun. So, tapos ito back itong wall na to. Ito yung wall ng tindahan dati. Back yan. Tapos yun, dito na tayo ito yung kitchen door. Pero ang mangyari ito, magiging main door to eh. Kasi yung main door namin nandun sa gilid. So, kasi ito direkta sa garden. Saka sa gate. Yan. So, may malaking bintana doon. Ayun, yun. Yan. Saan ba yun? Yan. May malaking bintana dyan. Glass. Saan tayo, sir?
School.
Tid muna namin sa school. Dito na tayo. Okay lang dito? Yan. So, dito na tayo sa ating favorite na pinakakarwasan. So, ito yung sinasabi ko, yung floor mats niya na anuin ko to, babalutan ko ng bagong leather. Hindi naman gano'ng kadumi yung ating sasakyan. I-wax din natin yung ating sasakyan para bumintab ulit.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard hard place? Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Okay na? Kintab na. Alright. So, yun, masarap talaga sa pakiramdam yung malinis yung sasakyan.
Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up.
So, yeah, pogi pa rin yung ating sasakyan, kaya 2 years na. So, malinis siya ulit. Yan ang forma niya, diba? Yupi, ewan ko lang kung makita. Yan. Saka ito yung gas-gas, mahaba din. Yan, hanggang dito. So ito yung problema, itong gas, UP, saka yung gas-gas. Pero yung itsura gwapo pa rin, di ba? So nakita nyo na yung UP sa gilid sa may driver side, saka yung gas-gas din sa may driver side. Pero saglit lang yun. Ipapa-ano ko muna, buffing ko muna sa bayaw ko, kaso wala pang time dahil busy nga dito sa construction ng renovation ng bahay natin. So pinakarwas natin, then pina-wax natin din, kasi ilang weeks na ito na hindi na sikaso. Alright, so when it comes naman sa looks ng ating Cherry Tiggo, after 2 years and 2 months o 2 years and 1 month na gamit natin ni Mrs. eskwela, tapos long distance din palagi. Tapos kung naalala nyo, last year August o September pala, first week and second week of September, kami travel kami sa Maynila. So walang problema. So yeah, basta maintain lang natin yung unit. Yung mga gas sa kayupi, madali lang yan. Lalo na sa akin, may bayaw ako na nagre-repaint ng mga sasakyan. So ito yung interior niya, yun, kita nyo may payong, di ba? Saka yun, masyado maliwanag pag inopen natin yung sunroof. Saka isa pa, napakalamig pa rin ng aircon niya after 2 years na gamit. Napakalamig. Si Miss nagre-reklamo dahil sobrang lamig ng aircon kahit tanghaling tapat. Okay dokie, so Cherry Tiggo 5X Lux. So dito klaro pala siya, oh. Dito. Oh. Klaro yung UP niya. Malit lang naman. Kung hindi mo tititigan, hindi mo mahalata eh. Saka ito, pag hindi mo titigan yung UP, yung ano, yung gas-gas niya, hindi mo mahalata na may gas-gas. Pero when it comes to looks niya, ayos pa rin. Ganda. So next year o sige, next year tama, para repaint natin siya, tangerine siguro. Alright, so ito yung hello ano na ha?
Lumabas na naman si Tating.
Kailan lang?
Kanina. Pagkaman yung bar ka dyan sa labas. Pagdating mo.
Palo ikaw?
Hindi na pwede na ganyan-ganyan yung ano.
Coffee. And then pancake. Yan yung view natin sa ngayon. Dahil pang ayusin.
And swallow my pride and admit that my life was feeling so hard.